हाँ हाँ हाँ, एक मिनट चंद्रशेखर जी, आप अपनी बात कहते। हाँ हाँ,
Honorable Speaker, sir,
हाँ,
I rise today on behalf of the Telugu Desam Party to express our unwavering support for the NDA's One Nation and One Election bill. Sir, our party's guiding force, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu ji, has always championed transformative ideas and is well recognized and respected as a visionary leader, sir. TDP is deeply committed to nation-building initiatives such as Vikasit Bharat 2047 and aims to align them with Vikasit Andhra 2047, reflecting the true spirit of cooperative federalism and a shared vision for progress and development. Sir, there are several advantages of One Nation, One Election bill, but I would like to quote four. Number one, reduced expenditure and logistical efficiency, sir. Although the official figures for the 2019 Lok Sabha elections vary, news reports estimate the Election Commission of India has spent more than 6,000 crores, sir. In 2024, the estimate of spend was more than 10,000 crores, sir.
संक्षिप्त में, ओके, आप पक्ष रख दें बस।
No, sir. No, please, let me. Yes, sir, give me 2 minutes. Come on. No. The Law Commission 2018 draft report and 27 Niti Aayog report estimates if both the elections are done simultaneously, the cost would reduce at least up to 40%, sir. If the elections are held simultaneously, the voter turnaround would be increased up to 7%, sir. Sir, if the the total estimates of all the parties that spend on these elections is close to 1 lakh crores, sir. Therefore, if the elections are done simultaneously,
please.
If the elections are done simultaneously, it will reduce the expenditure for both Election Commission of India as well as for the regional parties, sir. And the second is continuity in governance, sir. Sir, over the last 6 months alone, there were 3 elections held for the state, sir. So how can the machinery continue to operate if the elections are done continuous fashion, sir? Sir, fourth and probably the most important, sir, in this age, election campaigns amplified by media and technology no longer remain regional, but continuously influence the entire nation, creating large-scale ripple effects, sir. This constant political messaging encourages deep polarization and I support the bill, sir. Thank you.
Asauddin Owaisi. Please.
Speaker, sir. Sir, I rise to oppose this draconian unconstitutional bill, sir.
ओबीसी के बाद
सर मुझे सिर्फ 2 मिनट दीजिए सर।
ओबीसी के बाद
Sir, this bill violates the right to democratic self-government, which is part of Article 1419. And if a legislative assembly is dissolved, sir, and midterm elections are conducted, the tenure of that assembly will not be for 5 years, sir. This in itself is a violation of parliamentary democracy, which envisages a tenured legislature. Sir, constitutional scheme makes it clear that once elections are conducted, the House should have a right to function for next 5 years. This is a violation of basic structure. That such a provision is being done for administrative convenience, not for constitutional purpose. Sir, the principle of federalism means that states are not mere appendages of the center. States are not dependent on the union for their existence. This is the violation of federalism, sir. Sir, in conclusion, Parliament is not competent to make any law that violates fundamental rights or the basis of the Constitution, sir. This bill indirectly introduced a presidential style of democracy This bill is based on maximizing political gain and convenience. This bill will finish off regional parties. This bill is only brought in to massage the ego of the Supreme Leader. Thank you, sir. I oppose this bill.
K. Radhakrishnan. K. Radhakrishnan. अमराराम जी
जी माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, जो संविधान संशोधन 129 में जो संशोधन लाने के लिए लाए हैं बिल, मैं और मेरी पार्टी इसका विरोध इसलिए करती है कि ये बिल इस देश की संवैधानिक संस्था संविधान और जनतंत्र को खत्म करके तानाशाही की ओर बढ़ने का काम है। इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि आप खर्चे की बात करते हैं जिसको 1 साल होगा, उसके 4 साल में आपके जनतंत्र की हत्या करने का काम ये संविधान संशोधन, ये जो बिल लेके आए हैं, ये करने का काम करेगा। आइंदा भी निश्चित रूप से आप बताइए, लोकल बॉडी जो पंचायत और नगर पालिकाएं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का है, उसको भी आप लेना चाहते हैं। क्यों लेना चाहते हैं कि एक हमारा ही चलेगा, बाकी देश का किसी भी राज्य का जो भिन्न भिन्न संस्कृति है, भाषा है, उसके अनुसार हमारे देश के संविधान ने उनको राज्यों को बनाया है, उनकी विधानसभा बनाया है, उनके अधिकार हैं, वो सब अधिकार आप इस बात के माध्यम से यहाँ लेना चाहते हैं। और केवल इसलिए कि तानाशाही फासिस्ट जो ताकत आप रूप से विरोध चाहे 356 हो, आगे भी अगर मान लो डिजोल्व हो गया, कोई फॉल्ट हो गई, सरकार गिर गई, तो उसके लिए भी आप अगर 2 साल बाद गिर गई तो 3 साल के लिए चुनाव होंगे, 1 साल बच गया तो उसके लिए होगा। इसलिए ये
डिटेल चर्चा करेंगे जब बात करेंगे। सुप्रिया सुले
चर्चा कराई और आज 2 दिन बाद में उसी संविधान को तहस नहस करने के लिए बिल लेके आए हो। इसका हमारी पार्टी बिल्कुल विरोध करती है।
Please subscribe .news.